Tired of deodorants leaving white marks or yellow stains on your clothes? In this video, we're diving into the best invisible deodorants that keep you feeling fresh and confident all day, without the mess. We upload quality product reviews daily to help you make the best choices. Stick around as we break down the top options, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and explore more of our reviews. Number 1. Secret Clinical Strength Invisible Deodorant. The Secret Clinical Strength Invisible Solid Antiperspirant and Deodorant was a firm favorite among the health team. It effectively minimized sweat and odor and didn't transfer onto our testers' clothes at all. It even managed to win over someone who doesn't typically enjoy roll-on deodorants. After 30 minutes of cardio, the deodorant effectively stopped the smell of the sweat. Even after 24 hours of wearing this antiperspirant, one reviewer said, "There was just no scent from my armpits. Even when showering and smelling my clothes, there was no smell at all." The texture of Secret Clinical Strength is silky smooth. While it does roll on wet, it dries clear without clumping. So, just how invisible is it? Our tests showed very little or no transfer at all, even after working out and moving around throughout the day. Number 2. Degree Men Ultra Clear. As an antiperspirant, our tests showed that this product was effective at managing both sweat and smell and held strong even after the 24-hour mark. And it seems to be aptly named as our tester revealed there were no noticeable stains on clothes, and he felt strongly protected after physical activity. This product comes as easy to apply and smooths over the skin easily. The formula itself is white when it glides over the skin, but our testers agreed that it didn't transfer onto clothes and didn't leave a sticky residue. Our tester, who hasn't always been a fan of Degree products, said he highly recommends this product and felt fresh and comfortable, even after a jog on the treadmill. This antiperspirant for men has a formula that cuts down on the stains that some antiperspirants leave behind when they mix with sweat and natural oils produced by your body. It also provides 72-hour sweat and odor protection to keep you moving and free to live life to its fullest. Number 3. Jack Black Pit Boss. Do you like to start your day with a touch of luxury? Then perhaps this is the antiperspirant for you. Sitting at the $20 mark, this is one of the pricier options. But for some, it's worth it for the fragrance and the fact that it's produced by an independent business and is vegan and cruelty-free. In terms of performance, the Pit Boss scored 4.4. Major points went towards the woodsy fragrance and the fact that it kept sweat odor at bay for 24 hours. However, it was noted that the product had transferred a little onto the inside of a black shirt. Jack Black Pit Boss Antiperspirant and Deodorant is an invisible solid stick that offers superior protection from odor and wetness. The gentle antiperspirant and deodorant formula won't irritate delicate underarm skin. Turn base of stick to raise solid, apply sparingly, 2 to 3 light strokes per armpit, to underarms only. Allow to dry before dressing. Use when needed. Number 4. Deodorant Total Nonsense Ultra Gentle Antiperspirant. This antiperspirant is for anyone who typically finds it hard to wear any deodorant at all. With only 6 ingredients and a water-based formula, this deodorant is great for anyone who suffers from things like allergies or eczema. And while it's designed for those with sensitive skin, this Deodorant antiperspirant proved effective in our tests, meaning it could really work for anyone. Post-exercise, our tester noted that there was no smell at all and that she didn't feel sweat under her arms, even after a stint of cardio. It rolled on easily with a nice texture that dried clear and clump-free. And since there was no transfer after working out and moving around, this antiperspirant is a great option for anybody with or without sensitive skin. This is for those prone to eczema, atopic, or contact dermatitis. Individuals suffering from hyperhidrosis. Suitable for ages 12 and older. Pregnancy safe. Number 5. Art of Sport Antiperspirant. The Art of Sport Antiperspirant makes for a solid, natural choice as our tests showed that it kept sweat at bay throughout an exercise session and also throughout the entire 24-hour testing period. The scent is refreshing, and it was still noticeable post-exercise. However, it's worth noting that our testers found the smell faded before the end of the 24-hour period. This product all did a great job in the transfer resistance category, which can sometimes be a sticking point for natural formulas. Our tester said it didn't feel sticky after application and that there was no transfer after the testing period had finished. Immerse yourself in the invigorating fragrance of eucalyptus. This is not just a scent, it's a declaration of strength that keeps you feeling revitalized and ready for triumph. Unleash the energy of victory, your secret weapon for staying fresh and ahead of the game.